Alright YouTube, I'm going to give you a couple minutes here of unedited off-road footage so you know what it's like. Let's go. The audio is coming from the wheel right now. We got a microphone hooked to it. Ooh, look at that. No thank you. No thank you. Oh, I hit the pedal. Be careful. Show the parts you don't want to. Let's go. Now that I've been through hell, never got anyone's help. Ooh, we'll take a little cool off here. I forgot about these trails. Fuck the cool off. Let's go. I never ran to the no, man, I still go, 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 go. Ooh, tree down. Woo. That's some real world shit right there. Turn around. Oh, note to self. Bring chainsaw. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, we're gonna show that, huh? Oh, why's my knee pad slipping? Okay, break time.